Well, now as we talked about getting divorced, I think we should discuss that. Let's do it. We live like roommates. We're dating other people. So, and I think it's time for us to talk. What do you think?
I think it sounds like a good idea. I don't want to deal with any of the asset division or the paperwork.
Of course, you don't
So
want
you're
to.
the organized one in the family. You get all the finances together.
Of course, I expected you to ask me to do that. So, but I have no idea where to start with. I don't know what financial disclosure are, so I think it's better to call Diana. Agree?
Yeah, she'd probably be good for that.
Okay, thank you.
Once one spouse decide on divorce, you can begin to inventory what you and your spouse own and owe as soon as possible. This will help you to protect yourself from the worst case scenario in which your spouse runs off and hides all community property. Financial inventory will support you to remember all your assets and debts, especially if you believe that your spouse has debts. Writing the inventory and submitting the appropriate form with the court will help you to get the financial divorce in order and make clear that you're not responsible for your spouse's debts. Your financial inventory will include everything you own before marriage and anything you believe belong only to you. In any case, the community property must be divided equally and fairly at divorce. On the asset side, your inventory will include checking and savings accounts, stock, bonds, mutual funds, and money market accounts, certificates of deposit, real estate, house, condo, vacation house, retirement plans, including pension, 401k, IRA, SAP, IRS, profit sharing, stock options, medical savings accounts, car, boats, or any other vehicles including helicopters and airplanes, valuable personal property such as work of art, jewelry and collection, household furniture, life insurance policy with cash value, tax refunds you expect. If you don't know where your tax returns are, you can get them from IRS by submitting a simple form 45 or 6. Or you can get it by contacting IRS directly by calling their hotline number. It is also recommended to videotape your major assets like your house, automobile, safe box to prove the condition of the property and also to show your living standard, which can be one of the factors in spousal support negotiation. Once you decide to videotape your assets, make sure that you have a witness with you that will help you to sign the written inventory. And in addition of making the list, make a copy of relevant financial documents like insurance policies, retirement plan documents, deeds, recent mortgage statements, tax returns for the past 5 years, bank and retirement account statements, and wills and trust. All right, this is it for now. I wish you a productive gathering of your finances and thank you for your attention.